Hi, my name is Madman. Welcome to my channel. I wish you a good watch. Do not forget to admire the video and subscribe to my channel.
JavaScript is the programming language of HTML and the web. JavaScript is easy to learn. JavaScript is a lightweight, interpreted programming language. It is designed for creating network-centric applications. It is complementary to and integrated with Java. JavaScript is very easy to implement because it is integrated with HTML. It is open and cross-platform. Prerequisites. For this tutorial, it is assumed that the reader have a prior knowledge of HTML coding. It would help if the reader had some prior exposure to object-oriented programming concepts and a general idea on creating online applications. Please subscribe to my channel and you like the video, and we need your comments on our video so we can develop the videos next time. Goodbye.